Just relax. It's no race. Let it follow through. That's it. Keep your eyes up. And one last time. Just relax. Let the chi flow. Remember that the Tao is an extension of your own arm. Okay? Let it become a part of you. It's not just an object you're holding. It is taking the place of your arm. Oh, eyes. And then one more time, but I want you to sink. I want you to always think of sinking the chi, okay? Eyes up. There you go. Always looking forward. That's it. Alright, boy, where are your hands supposed to be on that blade like that? Or are you going to cut your fingers off? That's right. Alright, hold it proper. Hold the blade proper. Show respect. Alright, we'll check it out later, okay?